Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to delete the Windows.old folder in Windows 10. Are you running low on space after a Windows update and wondering what that mysterious Windows.old folder is? That's because your old Windows files are stored in the Windows.old folder for backup. In this video, I will show you the easy methods to permanently delete the Windows.old folder. Let's get started. Method 1. Click the Start button and go to Settings. Click on System. Select Storage from the left panel. Click on Temporary Files under the Local Disk section. Windows will scan and list all temporary file types. Check the box next to Previous Windows installations. Click on Remove Files at the top. Wait for Windows to delete the Windows.old folder completely. Method 2. Press Windows plus S and type Disk Cleanup. Right-click on Disk Cleanup and choose Run as Administrator. Select the drive where Windows is installed, usually C, and click OK. Scroll and check the box for previous Windows installations. Click OK, then click Delete Files to confirm. Disk Cleanup will now delete the Windows.old folder. And that's it. You've now learned the different ways to delete the Windows.old folder in Windows 10. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.